and welcome to another SatNav Systems video. Today we are in Audi A6-4A, which is the 2019 model. This is the current shape A6, and we've just completed the Park Assist upgrade. So we're just going to demonstrate how it works. So you want to park, and this is what we want to do. We want to park here. We've got a full range of parking because we've got many spaces there. So we're just gonna drive now, get the car to scan it, and then we'll let it to park. So yeah, so we start driving. What you need to do, you need to start driving slowly. You press the button to start maneuvering, and then select with the indicator which side you want to park on. So we're selecting right side, and we're just gonna drive now slowly, passing this parking space, or all the parking spaces. And yeah, we'll just drive next to Porsche here, and the car should then give us more instructions. So there you go. So please drive further forward, and there you go. Please select reverse gear and let go of the steering wheel. So this now will take over the steering wheel. However, we still have to control the accelerator and the brake pedal. The rest the car will do. So as you can see, we're not holding it, we're just controlling the brake pedal, and the car is reversing itself into the position there at the back. And yeah, as you can see, we're just demonstrating it. There you go. It's give us another instruction. Please hold brake pedal and select forward gear. So we need to select the forward gear, and it goes forward. So it's just going to adjust itself into the position. And as you can see, now we're gonna be pretty much parallel to the other car. So now we need to select the reverse gear as it's asking us to do. So again, the reverse gear, and as you can see, the steering wheel is just moving itself. And yeah, if we can watch on the camera, that is just getting us in there. We're just controlling really a brake pedal. The car is, yeah, just doing the rest. And as soon as we finished, this is it. Park Assist ended. Please take over the steering wheel. That's it. That's ended. So I'm just going to show you now how it looks when we parked. So here are all our spaces, and as you can see, we are parked. The red line, car has parked itself pretty much in here next to the other car. So yeah, and this is how the sensors look. So you've got the sensors on the side, which are responsible for the side, and using the front ones to gauge and see where the car is. The same at the back, so you can see it here and there. And obviously the car came with the front and rear sensors, so these were already here. We've added that and some extra bits to get it all working. So yeah, as always, if you want to get it something like this for your car, just get in touch with us, and we'll assist and confirm if your car is compatible. As always, all installed to the factory specification, 3 years warranty. Thank you so much. Bye bye.